Every year, thousands of pilgrims undertake this journey to the Basilica of Born Jesus. This is their story.
Hello everybody, my name is Leroy Monteiro. I'm from Goa, this place. And so I'm here to share with you all my experience of the pilgrimage, walking pilgrimage. So it was from Belgaum to Goa. And I feel that I can share this experience, can summarize it in just one word. And that word would be purpose. Because walking 3 days is not as easy as it sounds. Of course, the first day it is very easy to walk. We were walking on an average at least 13 hours each day. And so the first day was not difficult to walk 13 hours. But to get up on the second day required a purpose. Why am I putting myself in so much struggle, so much difficulty? Because it was difficult to get up on the next day. But I found myself with a purpose, and so I could pick myself up on the second day. And then by the third day, I had that purpose in my mind, purpose to reach the Basilica, to pray in the relics of Saint Francis Xavier, to offer up myself to him and all the struggles. So of course on the way it was very difficult. There were lots of struggles, lots of hardships. Of course walking was one. Then in the night times we had to find our place to rest. And that was very tough. Sometimes you would have to sleep on the hard floors, and then without getting good sleep we'd have to walk the next day. So these were difficult things, but because of the purpose, everything was directed towards that purpose, and all the hardships could be seen as something to learn from, due to having a purpose, having a goal. Of course, things were easy as well. We enjoyed ourselves walking with our brothers. They too had their own purposes, own goals, all things pushing them towards the destination. And we all made it here safely. And yes, it was truly wonderful, enriching experience. And yes, thank you.